Country Clipper lawnmowers are 100% USA made with fantastic features such as a tilting deck and a pivoting front axle. A dependable Kawasaki engine ensures the horsepower you need to get the job done. Steering is a breeze with a single joystick, and the non-slip step makes it easy to get on and off the mower. A comfortable seat rounds out the features. Wow, looks like a deal's been made. Country Clipper offers residential and commercial options. Well, what have we here? You might be surprised the lengths your neighbors will go to just to get their hands on your Country Clipper.